Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, obviously by the title, you can tell what I'm here with, so it's not going to be long and drawn out, but it is a Shea Moisture haul slash unboxing. And the reason it is an unboxing and not just a haul is because Shea Moisture reached out to me and asked me what products I wanted to try and if they could send me some stuff, and of course I was like yes. So I just wanted to personally tell everybody thank you so much, because if you guys didn't care about my videos and didn't view my videos, and Shea Moisture wouldn't have noticed me and decided to send me some of their stuff, and I'm so beyond thankful that they would, A, and B, it was almost kind of unexpected, because if you're familiar with my channel, then you know that I always give honest reviews, and that means sometimes I don't like the products, and you know, that's just how I am. So if I don't like something, I'm really blunt with it, and I appreciate the fact that even after seeing those videos, which I'm sure they did see, they still decided to send me the product because they knew I was going to give an unbiased review regardless, because that's how I roll. So that being said, let's just jump right into the unboxing. And before we do, again, thank you guys so much. So many of you guys was like, yo, you need to be a brand ambassador, or you need to be on their PR list, like they need to be sending you stuff, like, and I agreed. I definitely agreed. So thank you guys so much, and I'm so excited because I have no idea what's in here, so let's just see. And this is a pretty substantial box. It's got some weight to it, shot a little thick. So I actually have like a box cutter, but I don't know where it is, so we're just gonna use this little hair highlighting thing that I never use, so you know, get in where you fit in. Oh my gosh, they're making sure I broke it. Gonna put it back in there like this never happened. Oh no. Perdón me. Whoops. First thing I got was a skin item, and this is the African Black Soap Problem Skin Toner. I've never tried this before, so I'm super excited to try this. Yeah, so alright. Clear and balanced blemish oily skin. I don't have either of those, but I'll give everything a go once. Next item is the new Coconut and Hibiscus Anti-Frizz Max Holt Gel. I did specifically ask them for this, so I did know that this one was coming, or I was hoping that they would put it in there. And this is their new flip top, so I like that it's a flip top. Hey, I'm so hyped. This is so nice. Okay, next item is the, I'm assuming this is African Black Soap. Yes, it is. The Problem Skin Moisturizer. I actually have used this before, like way back in the day, like maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. And I can't remember if I liked it or not. I want to say I did not like it. So we'll see if I like it this time. And let me know if you guys want to see review. I'm going to do a review anyway. Stop. Let me stop playing. Y'all gonna get this review for this skincare. Y'all gonna get this review. So yeah, I don't think I like that. So I'm interested to see if anything's changed. So yeah, I actually think I tried this one before too. The clarifying facial wash and scrub. I'm definitely excited about this. I don't know if you remember, I think it was my last empties video, I was saying that I was looking for another scrub. So since this is a facial wash and scrub in one, I'm super excited to try this. Again, I feel like I don't remember liking this, or maybe it was lackluster, so first of all, I just can't believe they sent me this stuff. Like, this is wild. This is wild, yo. Alright, next is the, oh, I'm super hyped for this one. Okay, this is the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration face milk cleanser, and this one is to soften and restore skin. So this one I think will be more my speed. I don't really have oily skin. It's kind of on the drier side, so I'm not sure how it's going to react with that African Black Soap one, but I'm all here for hydration, especially in the winter time. And I literally just ran out of my Peace Rose oil. I think it was in the last empties video. So I've been needing another facial cleanser. So hell yeah, super excited about that one. Next is the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration face lotion, and I'm assuming this is also the face lotion that goes after the cleanser. Yes, because that is when you moisturize your face after you cleanse it. Thank you so much. Okay, next item. Oh, is, can I might have a, okay. So, I'm going to show you all these next items at once. Alright, this is the Curl Stretch Pudding, the Reshaping Shine Butter, the Leave-In or Rinse Out Conditioner, and the Styling Gelee. I've never done a giveaway before, but I've already tried these products. I already used them. I didn't like them. They didn't really do much for my hair, except for the Curl Stretch Pudding was A1. Like, I loved that one. And the Gelee, it was okay, but some people love it. So, I don't know. I've never done a giveaway before, but I want to because, yeah. I don't know. I'm going to think of a way I can do like a giveaway. I've never done one before. I don't even know how to start one. So, I'm going to hold this to the side. I'm not even going to touch these because I'm super excited about the possibility of doing a giveaway, because, I mean, like, if you haven't done a giveaway on your YouTube, are you even real? Like, you know, like, if I'm not doing a giveaway, like, she's alright, but she's not real. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So, yeah. Like, why can't I be one of those YouTubers who, like, just places stuff down gently and it's just off camera, out of frame, and, you know, you guys just think, like, oh, she really has it together. No, my stuff wants to fall. Stupid thunder. Okay, this one, okay, I'm bouncing all over the place. I'm sorry, but I'm just pulling stuff out. Yo, this right here, this I really do want to try. Like, I've heard nothing but great things about this. You saw when I posted this on my IG, I could not find it anywhere. I definitely looked, so now that I have it, I am so excited to try this for you. I should tell you what it is. It is the sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment with marshmallow root, and this is for all hair types. I heard it's on the pricey side. I think around like 17 bucks, and I think it's at CVS or Walgreens. I can't remember, one of those drugstores. And but I've heard nothing but great things about it. So for $17, it better be. Thank you so much, ma'am. All right, moving right along. This next item I'm so hyped about. This is the 100% virgin coconut oil rehydration treatment mask, and I've got to put you on the side. I gotta smell what this will smell like. Let's see. Oh, she thick too? Okay. She smell alright. But, okay, do better, girl. But, oh my, I don't know why I get, like, masks are, like, my thing. I know I've said that before and I will say it again. Masks are my thing. They're my thing. And if you guys remember, I actually did a review on this line with the initial products that launched, and I just thought they were like, they was cool, but there wasn't really all that. I'll link that review below if you want to see it. But the fact that this mask is so thick gives me hope. I'm so excited to try and review this for you guys. So okay, sorry. All right, next is the, oh my gosh, I might have something else to add to the giveaway. 2 more things. Oh my gosh. Okay, the Strengthen and Restore Max Hold Gel, as well as the Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel, and both of these are the flip tops. I am so, like, so excited. I don't even know if I'll be able to do a give. I don't even know. Okay, so, like, I don't want to get anyone's hopes up. Like, I just have no idea how to do a giveaway. So I'm still, like, if you guys have suggestions on, like, how I should do the giveaway, this is such a janky YouTube channel. How I'm asking y'all how I should do the giveaway. Girl, Google it. Google it. Anyways, so you guys know I have reviews on both of these up on my channel. If you don't, I'll link them below, because, you know, the more you know. So, yes. And these are, I think I already said this, but these are the flip tops, which I really like. Just so convenient to just scoop it, snap it shut, boom. We got you, boo. So I'm putting this over here. If one more thing drops. Alright, next item is the daily, well, what the, oh, that was a cleanser. Okay, the Daily Hydration Milk Mask, and this is from this referred over 100%. This is from the 100% virgin coconut oil line, and I wonder if this mask dries down. Well, it says daily, so probably not, and it's a hydration mask. So deductive reasoning would tell me that it probably doesn't, but you know, you never can know. I'm deducing by context clues that this probably does not dry down. So we'll see. We'll see about you, boo. All right, and next item is also from that same line, and this is the Daily Hydration Overnight Face Oil. If you guys have watched my other skincare videos, or I think I mentioned this in like my favorite oils videos, I always put oils on my face at night, so I'm definitely excited to try this. I wonder what the mixes of oils are in this one. Okay, grapeseed oil, let's see, we got castor, shea, coconut. Is that it? Okay. All right. So we got a little amalgamation of some oils in here. And lastly is the African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. And I think, okay, it's starting to come back to me. I think I've tried all the African Black Soap products when they first came out, the skincare line. And like I said, that had to be like, first of all, girl, get your hair. It had to be like 4 or 5 years ago. So I am going to try this again just to see if I still like it. But I feel like I remember giving it away. And because my friend, she has like oilier, more blemish prone skin. So I don't know, like, but I mean, I don't know if it'll work or not until I try it. So no, I'm going to try it first because it's been so long since I used it and I honestly can't remember. So I'm going to review all this stuff for you. So that is it. That was a ton. Like, first of all, I cannot believe they sent me that much stuff. So I'm so excited. Again, Shea Moisture, thank you so much for sending me this. I am so grateful that you did. And again, thank you guys for even watching my little videos in order to get me in front of Shea Moisture, so they can see me and see that, you know, I like reviewing stuff. So, yeah, I'm super excited to review these products. Some of them I'm like, I don't know if they're gonna work. We'll see. And then some of them I'm like, and I have my eye on you for some months, girl. So, yeah, I think that is it. That is all I wanted to say. This video was so impromptu because this package literally just came today. Like, I got an alert on my phone, was like, package has arrived. I have a little thing on my phone that shows me when package, you don't care. Anyways, it showed me UPS had come by. Girl, you got a parcel. Go ahead and go get that. So I was super excited when I saw that it was there. I'm rambling now. We're gonna stop. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe. All right, love you guys. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. What am I doing? Bye.